Okay, so again, in the selecting, you're looking for what did we want to highlight. We wanted to highlight that there is a chart, that I can solve this with a graph, that I can solve this with a picture. And putting the next step then is in what order do I want to talk about them so that I can deal with misconceptions and make sure that everybody's work has been honored and valued. Also with connecting, you can decide how many times is this going to come through your class, you know, how many times you're going to use it just in your grade 9 applied class, but where does this show up again in grade 10? Now I'm suddenly going to look at that quadratic equation, and I want to use it as, I said to one of the groups, I used this question on the first day of school last year with a grade 9 class, followed by a grade 12 class with 2 different goals. My grade 12 class was supposed to define, remember what you know about a line? Show me. Find the quadratic one, show me an equation for that. And then suddenly, oh, this looks like a cubic one. I wonder if we're going to study cubics this year. Tomorrow, starting. No. And again, you can extend this to however far you want. This is where the connecting goes. Are you reusing it in another class? Or are you giving them an exit task that says, make sense from one representation to another?
And that's the beauty of having rich tasks like this. The true rich task can be used in so many different areas. So rather than reading, well, I've got to make a question for my grade 9, then I got to make one for grade 10, then I got to make one for, you know, you can use this throughout. You can use it in 9, you can use it in 10, you can use it in 12, you can use it in 11. And it's a great intro to a lot of different pieces. And this is just one rich task. So many good tasks, if you think about it, you go back and say, can I tweak this one just a little bit? So I'm going to add one more little piece to this, and now I can use it in my grade 11. And now they've seen it in grade 9, so they're kind of familiar with it. And now they can go further with it. They can do the extensions.